Hello everyone, in this tutorial I will show you how to get longitude and latitude on Google Maps. But before I start, make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel. You can give like and leave the comment on my video. Open your Google Maps. After that, as you can see the blue icon, this is my location. And in here I will get my latitude and longitude. Hold a second on this. After that, you see this is drop in, and then swipe up. As you can see, this is your longitude and latitude on Google Maps. So you can copy this longitude and latitude. You just tap on this. So I think that is the way how to get longitude and latitude on Google Maps. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe, like and leave the comment on this video. Thank you.